In this practical example we will review some of the commands for modeling the parts studied so far, training their use. Let's get started. First, open the available file in the files in this example. See that we have several sketches created, which we will use to model a candlestick. We'll start by applying a revolve to form the body. We activate the revolved boss/base command and click on an edge of the main sketch as shown. We confirmed it and see that we already have the body created. Next, we will create the handle by activating the command swept boss/base. We select the sketch of the profile, and then the sketch of the length of the handle. We have confirmed and see that our candlestick is almost ready. We will make a recess at the top, activating the command extruded cut and clicking on the circular edge. We set the depth to 25, activate the conicity option and set the angle to 5 degrees. We confirm and apply rounding using the fillet command. We set the radius value to 25 and click on the edges as shown. We will assign color to the candlestick. For this we expand the display pane, click on Color, Appetence, choose a shade of yellow and confirm. Alright, we finished this example, where we reviewed the use of some commands for modeling the parts studied in this course. Continue practicing to familiarize yourself with the use of software.